All right, enough of that. That was a little depressing, even for me, as if somebody died, and that is not the case. You're here for the unboxing of the new phone, and as we open, you're greeted with hello and a few simple instructions on how to use the product. Underneath that is the SIM card removal tool, product information, and the famous Apple stickers. Underneath all of that is the phone, which I purchased in gold. However, this is not the gold that we're used to from the 8 and 8 Plus. This has a more of a rose kind of shimmer to it. Underneath that, you will receive the standard Apple headphones with remote and mic. It does not have the dongle, which everybody's apparently disappointed about. And underneath that, you have the USB to Lightning connector and your standard 5-watt power adapter. Even though I have Apple Care, and considering how pricey these phones are getting, while I was at Best Buy, I picked up a clear, cheap case to show off that new gold color. I personally like to put my phone into a case as soon as I get it out the box in order to keep it as new and as fresh as possible until the day I am ready to trade it in or sell it, whichever one I want to do. I love that sound. It is honestly one of the most satisfying sounds. Even with a case, this is probably the cleanest that the phone is ever going to be. So as you can see, I started to set the phone up. There's not much more I can show from here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.